Both activity, motivation, healing, power, strength, love, help, and out and courage. Ano ayun po ang isa sa kanila na encourager. Then, for our main study is hearted, listening for filled with courage and hope. Just as Barnabas po, filled with presence of God through the Holy Spirit po. Kaya ang name po namin is Martin Barnabas Spirit. We are filled with the Spirit just as Barnabas filled with the presence of God. Kaya i-encourage ang lahat. Ayan.
Jesus with us.